Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow day trade setups for today. So first things first, we sort of closed on this weekly support yesterday, and futures market has opened up and we have broken through this level. So that is the line in the sand for me. The next significant area of support on the weekly is something along those lines. So we're looking at 31,243 and then 29,500 and in between 30,000. So that's kind of the area that looks like we would be heading for. So if we start just getting down to the time frames that we want to be trading, you can see on the 8 hour, a nice 8 hour close. I'm just going to adjust that ever so slightly. That was the previous pullback. We've broken through it. You can see we've closed on it last night and then we've broken through. Don't trust what the oscillators are telling us at the moment. And we are extremely far away from the moving averages, which is normally a sign of potential exhaustion. So keep that in mind. You want to be short, but you want to wait for the pullbacks and you want to get in on the pullbacks. The other thing which does bug me with this setup at the moment is that was the trend line, or should I rather say that was the channel, and now we've broken the channel to the downside. So at the moment, because we're below the channel, I'd prefer us to be back in the channel, back up in this area, and then climb in for the move to the downside. So not really keen on jumping in short all the way down here. So your weekly level is right here, so 33,129. I'm looking for a rejection of that level. If we get above that, which is also possible, being a big weekly level, then you're looking a little bit higher up at 33,364. And even higher than that at 33,527. Now 33,527 would be the area that I'd be really interested in, because that is top of sort of this weird channel, and it just makes a little bit more sense than in trying to jump in down here. So I don't like the way the oscillators are talking to us right now. This is indicating you need to be careful. Could be an exhaustion move, far away from the moving averages. This is not an area to be short, guys. You want to be short up here. Okay, so if you are short from yesterday, and let's just have a look, because yesterday was a classic setup. You can see on the trend line there, and if I just put that little bit of structure in, sorry, there, you can see there's drop down, drop down. You can see how it all comes together here, and then eventually break through. There was a good setup there on the retest of the moving averages and one-way traffic, or alternatively jumping in up here on the top of the trend, as I said yesterday, with a high stop of 270 points, and you'd be 1,238 points in the green at the moment. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. And you can see this trend line also very significant. So you could see a retest of 32,859, 33,129. That's the area that I would pay attention to. It's also the daily gap, and then 33,364. So those are the areas that I would be paying attention to for any kind of pullback. Don't try jump in here and ride this thing down, because it can flip on pretty much depending which way the wind blows at the moment. So just be cautious. You want to be short, but you want to be short higher up. So wait for the pullback, wait for the structure, then jump in short for a move to the downside. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.